Love setting.
This is concerning.
Ladies and gentlemen, the court.
Very concerning, I would say, Jeff. It's Murphy, but
every shot I'm out of breath.
Every shot I'm out of breath.
well, I assumed it would be the knee, but seems to be struggling with his breathing.
Yep. Oh, another word. Kyrgios this week has said he's suffering from asthma. I'm not sure whether the conditions are ripe for that sort of ailment. Not aware of it.
So, I had COVID 10 days ago. Negative like 1 week already, but I'm struggling to breathe.
Is this anything similar to that?
I tried to practice with this. I practiced a couple of days. I was okay, but now I think maybe because of pressure or something, I cannot breathe.
Okay.
I cannot take a deep breath.
Okay.
At some point it stops.
Okay. Do you remember in maths?
Yeah.
Is it similar to that? No. Okay. So it's actually expanding? Okay.
I'm struggling to breathe. Just about 10 days ago I had a little cold. I'm struggling to breathe. I tried to practice. Practice was okay.
Yeah.
But now the pressure is 100%. I feel I cannot take a deep breath. I was okay during the practices, but a little bit lighter. I had some sugar as well, it's not that bad. When I hit 1-2 shots, I cannot take a deep breath and I feel like it stops at some point.
I want to get into the board.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Take them off.
Yeah.
Cool. We take a full examine at a place and stop. Okay.
We'll apply for the places.
Is it closest to grab the second? Yeah.
The doctor and physio, the doctor requiring more tests, it seems. Struggling to breathe seemed to be the thread.
Doing the right thing to, call them on the
Pick up here.
You can just see the intensity of the point.
Whether he's going to continue or not, we'll find out momentarily. And he's not.
It's a real shame.
Yeah.
Just hope that Basilashvili is feeling okay. You never like to see a player retire for any reason.
Yeah. So if you're having troubles breathing, there's something untoward going on. So not good news. Disappointing for all concerned.
Yeah, very unfortunate too.